A sun halo is an optical phenomenon appearing as a ring or circle of light surrounding the sun, caused by the refraction of sunlight through ice crystals in high-altitude cirrus clouds. These crystals act like tiny prisms, bending and scattering the light rays to create the halo effect. Here's a more detailed explanation. Formation. Sun halos are formed when sunlight passes through ice crystals present in cirrus clouds, which are high-altitude, thin, and wispy clouds. Ice crystals. These ice crystals are typically hexagonal and randomly oriented, according to some scientific explanations. The light is refracted as it enters and exits these crystals, bending the light rays by about 22 degrees. Appearance. The most common type is a 22-degree halo, appearing as a bright ring around the sun, often with a reddish inner edge and a bluish outer edge. The halo can be faint or bright, sometimes even appearing as a solid object, according to Scientific American. Sundogs. Bright spots of light that sometimes appear on either side of the halo are called sundogs, or parhelions. Lunar halos. Similar halos can also be seen around the moon, often referred to as lunar halos or moondogs. Weather prediction. Halos are often associated with cirrus clouds, which can be a precursor to approaching storms, and thus can be a sign of changing weather. Sun halos, also known as 22-degree halos, form when sunlight passes through and is refracted by ice crystals in high-altitude cirrus clouds. The hexagonal shape of the ice crystals and their uniform orientation cause the light to bend at a specific angle, 22 degrees, creating the halo effect. Here's a more detailed explanation. High-altitude cirrus clouds. Halos are typically seen when the sun is shining through cirrus clouds, which are thin, wispy clouds found high in the atmosphere. These clouds contain tiny ice crystals, often hexagonal in shape. Refraction by ice crystals. When sunlight enters these ice crystals, it is refracted, bent, due to the change in speed as it passes from air into ice and then back into air. The hexagonal shape of the ice crystals and their uniform orientation cause the light to bend at a specific angle, primarily 22 degrees. 22-degree halo. This bending of light at a 22-degree angle results in the formation of a ring or halo around the sun or moon, with the halo appearing at a radius of about 22 degrees from the light source. Color variations. While halos are often described as white or milky, they can sometimes exhibit faint rainbow colors due to the slight differences in how the ice crystals refract different wavelengths of light, colors. Not a weather prediction tool. While halos can sometimes indicate an approaching weather front, they are not a foolproof weather prediction tool.